all about like attitude, as she was saying. So my first and the first question for all of you, let me just share the screen and then I can talk about it. One second, give me a minute. Okay, uh, sorry, I think there is some.
Fatima, please unmute
Please
yourself.
unmute yourself.
Host.
Ramya, just come here. Now, can you hear?
Yeah, now you are audible. And
I don't know, somebody.
I have
Okay,
unmuted.
okay.
Oh, you are audible, and I have given a host to you also.
Okay, and one small doubt, also share system audio. So, should I click that one?
Yes, yes. Then only we will get the audio.
No, if I click on this, I think it is not
You just
sharing.
the slide. Go with slideshow and finish.
No, one second, ma'am. One second. I understood that I shouldn't be clicking that. One second. If you were just. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Can you
yes,
hear me?
Yeah,
Great.
your
Okay.
audio
yes.
So today,
is visible. Go with the
thank you
slide.
so much. Thank you so much. Yes. So can you see this one? A small truth to life. So what is it? And I would like to question to people over here, what makes your life 100%? Now, can I get any answer from the group? What makes you 100%? What makes your life 100%?
Satisfaction.
Satisfaction? Okay. Any better answer?
May I
Sorry?
speak?
Yes, yes, please. What makes your
Uh,
life 100%?
just being me, understanding that life is simple, just take the moment as it comes.
Okay,
As
just
that,
take a moment as it. If you just have to put one word for it, so what it would be like?
Attitude.
yes,
Gratitude,
and also gratitude and
gratitude.
just live the
Okay,
moment.
live the moment. Okay, maybe
Attitude,
I can take
not
it as a
gratitude.
happy.
Yes.
Attitude. Okay, that response is good. Yes, that is apt because I'm taking this session about aptitude. So okay, let us see what makes our life 100%. If I just say ABCD, let us put that it is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 26. Okay, then what it would be like to be a hard work. So when I just say hard work, then it is coming to 98%. If I just say knowledge, then it is coming to 96%. So if I just wanted to say love, then it occupies only 54%. If I just wanted to talk about luck, then it is 47%. Right? So if I just say money, then that is making us 72%. So what actually makes us 100% is our attitude. Did you get that one? Yes. Now, if you just calculate that, it makes 100%. Can you see this one? Can you see the screen, please? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. So please keep responding so that I understand, because I'm unable to see any one of you. Okay. So when you say that our attitudes are 100%, what is this attitude? Tell me.
The way we respond to the situation or whatever comes our way.
Behavior.
Pratima ma'am, are you there? Pratima ma'am, are you there?
Her audio is missing.
Give me a minute, audience. I'll connect to her once.
Whether we have a right attitude towards our life or not. Okay. So this is 10 questions that first you need to answer. Are you aware of the kind of thoughts you think? Are you
Ma'am,
aware?
actually we have missed you from a couple of seconds and we're not able to see your screen.
Oh, I see. But I'm presenting it. Is that problem with everyone?
Yes, ma'am. We can't see you. I mean, we can't see the screen. It's been 5 minutes.
Okay.
Pratima garu, after attitude slide, we can't hear you.
అర్థమైంది. ఓకే ఓకే కానీ నేను అసలు ఏం చేయట్లేదు ఇక్కడ, బట్ ఐ డోంట్ నో.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Mansa
reshare your
student.
PPT, ma'am. Reshare your PPT.
So shall I do it again? Okay, fine, just give me a minute. Okay, నేను ఎంటైర్ స్క్రీన్ అని చూపిస్తున్నాను, బట్ ఐ డోంట్ నో. Can you see it now?
It's sharing. Yes, ma'am. We can see
Yes.
now. But
Can
you
you
put
see?
the slide share, no?
Okay, yes, I've done it. Can you see it now? So this is a questionnaire. Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead. Yes.
So our attitude towards life and work that makes our life is 100%. Now I have a questionnaire for you. I want you people to write down 1 to 15. I want you to write down 1. I think there is some kind of a disturbance.
Ma'am, you can mute everyone, ma'am. Now you can mute everyone. Let people can share their thoughts in the chat.
Okay. Okay. So am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Yes.
So this is a questionnaire. You need to put down 1 to 15 vertically and then try to answer this question. So let us see whether we have 100% of attitude with us. Okay. So let me start the questionnaire. Okay. The answers you need to just write yes or no. You need not write the questions. You just need to put number 1 and write yes or no. Okay. Are you aware of the kind of thoughts that you think? Please, once you write these questions, once you answer this question, you can just say, any one of you can unmute yourself and say yes. Okay. Are you aware of the kind of thoughts you think? You can write yes or no. Do you know the difference between reaction and respond? Do you know the difference between reactive and being proactive? Do you know what is the subconscious mind? Do you know your area of expertise? Are you practicing the attitude of gratitude? The most of the time, do you feel that you are happy? Do you know what is positive affirmation? Do you practice any form of meditation or relaxation exercise? Have you ever done the mental house cleaning? Can I push the slide? Can I take can I change the slide?
Please give us a couple of
Yes,
seconds.
ma'am.
Okay. I think someone said please wait couple of seconds. Okay, I'll give you, and you need to be quick enough because we have very less time. Have you ever done the mental house cleaning? Okay, the last question. Now I'm changing the slide. Are you comfortable with the word change? If you were asked to write down your 10 favorite people, would you place your own name on the list? This is one of my favorite questions because initially I never used to do this, but now I started. Do you know what your fears are? You do not afraid of failure? Do you compliment or acknowledge your family, best friend, or a partner more often than you complain or criticize them? How many of you sincerely do this? I don't know, but I think we might see very less people. Do you agree with me? Okay, shall I change the slide? Anyone, please, who can answer?
Madam, can you please, I missed on 5 to 10. Can you please just reverse this for a minute? Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Just give me 2 minutes.
Yes. Yes. Practice the attitude of gratitude. The most of the time, you feel that you are happy. Do you know what is positive affirmation? And do you practice any form of meditation or relaxation exercise? Have you ever done the mental house cleaning? These are the questions. Now, if you can allow me to change, then
Just give me one moment, ma'am. Do you know,
okay.
like me and my friend are attending, so she knows in Telugu. That is the reason I'm translating her.
Whoa.
So
I'm
there I'm
really
taking.
sorry. I'm very poor with my language, but నేను చాలా ట్రై చేస్తాను మాట్లాడడానికి, but
No,
yeah.
that's okay. No, that's
Okay.
okay. That's okay. I just, something is obstructing the ninth question. Do you practice form of meditation or
Meditation or
relaxation exercise?
relaxation exercise. Relaxation exercise. Have you ever done the
Okay.
mental house
Have you
clean?
ever done mental health cleaning? And the eighth one, do you know what is positive affirmations? Yeah, thank you. And you may go to the 13, 14, 15th, ma'am. Ma'am, you can go to the next slide, ma'am. Hello.
Just wait, ma'am. Ma'am has some network glitch.
3 questions ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి. చాట్ మే జాతా నేను జాతా up to 9 yes. Any issue?
Yes, it's a technical glitch. I'm really sorry. I was presenting the screen. Now, can you see me?
Yes, ma'am.
We are able to see.
Sorry. I think there is some kind of electricity glitch over here. The current went and then it came back, but then I was unable to access. Can I tell orally so that I'll share the PPTs in the group so that you people can see? Actually, I was supposed to present one video also upon this, but I'll try my best. Can I do this one? Can you respond,
ma'am, yeah.
any one of you?
Yes, ma'am, it's okay.
Okay, is it okay? So actually, those questions were, 15 questions that you might have answered yes and no, and then there is also a marks to it. Okay, if you get 0 to 5, yes. So if you just count your S, then you may get like 0 to 5 or 6 to 10 or 11 to 12 in between or 13 to 15. If you are 0 to 5, I don't think so anyone would be like, it is poor positive mental attitude. And if it is coming from 0 to 10 S answers, then it is average positive mental attitude. Okay, if it is 11 to 12, it is good positive mental attitude. I know most of you lie between this excellent and good. Am I right? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Yes,
Am
Pratama.
I right? How many of you got in between 11 to 12?
I have the last 3 questions unanswered. Like I missed the screen. So
Okay, fine. I'll be sharing that. You can attempt individually. This will be helpful for you. People also can take up the sessions outside, and I'll share the videos also so that can support you. Okay. Yeah.
thank you.
So these are the questions. So then, okay, let me just push the screen. Okay, there was a video actually how we generally narrate people who are very good at the attitude and very bad with an attitude. If you just plan your routine in a proper way, that needs a kind of inspiration for all of us, isn't it? So morning waking up time, if you just see a person who is going to an IT industry, you can see how he passes his time. Either he'll be very good at that, either he'll be very bad at that. He'll few are there, like they'll wake up early, they put the alarm and then they wake up on time, they do all the rituals in a proper way, and then they go to office very sincerely. Those people are very, they show the right attitude. And you might have seen some people who don't do their routine, especially the students who don't fix up their time, who don't fix up their rituals in a proper direction, and then go to a particular place and end up doing nothing. Those people are procrastinators, right? So you can see two kind of attitudes of the people. One is very good with this, one is very less interested in showing the proper attitude. So for that, what do you think that it should be the best, and how we need to maintain that kind of an attitude? You tell me, as being a psychologist, what kind of suggestion you would give to the student who's not following a proper attitude? Anyone who can just support this, I would like to hear from you. Even that would be a learning from me. Yes, come on. What would you do to a student who's not following the rules? Let us leave the elder parts, because let us focus on the people who really require this kind of training. So I wish anyone who can just answer to this question. Come on, I think there is an active team.
His cognition should be changed, ma'am. Cognition.
Cognition. Okay, that's a bigger term. Now tell me what is, okay, what do you want to check in?
Ma'am, the answer is your questionnaire only, ma'am. The thing is, first he should be aware of his thought. If he's a student,
Mhm,
I will advise him
mhm.
first aware of your mental mindset. What is you up to?
Okay.
Because you had a plan aside of being a being a successful job entrepreneur, something like that. And what are you doing for that? First, aware of your mental state. Then how you're, whether you're responding to your mental thoughts means in this questionnaire only, whole answer is I think, I feel that in your questionnaire only the whole answer is inside, and he
Okay.
has to on
Okay.
his
My question has an answer.
yeah, he has to choose his area of expertise, and he has to
Okay.
involve gratitude in his daily, and he should be happy from his inner side, and he should
Okay.
be positive affirmations. All this in with you with your this thing only, ma'am. You are such a like
Exactly.
yeah, you are such a like payer. You have paid a way for us. What I feel. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good job. And I really liked your response, actually, very detailed one, ma'am. Thank you
Yeah.
so much. So now a quick session, a small assessment for you all. I know that you are just driving into the path of, psychology, and many of you are the professionals too. So what is your success mantra? Write down 5 successful mantras. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please write down 5 successful mantra. Quick. Quick. And my
5
my
success
time
mantra.
starts now. I'll just give you 10 shots. Okay, I'll count. 1, 2, and I wanted to know the impulse of each and every one of you, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Here you have to stop. Okay. But the magic, I just wanted to tell you something, a secret. Okay, I know what you might have written, and that has to be divided into attitude, skill, and knowledge. Am I audible? I'm checking with you people if I go off. So, attitude, skill, and knowledge. How many of you have written more of attitude things? How many of you just written skills? How many of you might have written knowledge? You just need to put K, S, or A. And I can bet you, I know that most of you ended up writing a lot of attitudes only. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Right? So now you see, okay, can you see this image?
No.
Can you see this image?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What
Yes,
is this
yes.
image?
Donkey.
Donkey. Okay, what comes into your mind when you see this image?
A mule which is lazy.
Always.
Hard work.
Lazy,
A
Hard
mule.
work.
hard work. Okay. Okay. And then? Okay. Then?
Hard work without using the
Anything
brain.
else?
Patience.
Okay. It has got a lot of patience. I love you, ma'am, whom you are, seriously. So we try to see all good things also in that animal, isn't it? Okay. So let me just see. Many of us make an opinion like it's a donkey, good for nothing, useless, least glamorous, or taken for granted animal. And few of us also say that donkey is a hardworking animal, and then it is loyal to the master. How many of you agree with this? Can you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you agree with this? Seldom people, very less people remember it as a hardworking animal and loyal. So, this means that we treat people and situation in the same manner as we do with the donkeys. Do you agree? We
Yes.
discount the good in them, and we only look at the negative side and start reacting to it. Is it right?
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
Yes.
Please keep answering because I don't know when am I switching off actually because of this technical glitch. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the realities of us. Now, okay. Now this is something very, very interesting. I'll have to narrate a small story on this. Can you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So there were two children actually. I just wanted to understand your perspective also on this. Let us assume their name was Jimmy and John. Jimmy and John were playing on the they were playing in the ground, and all of a sudden Jimmy runs to his mom and then says that neighbor's window is broken. Okay, neighbor's window's glass is broken, and John did it. Okay, so mother, as a mother is always mother, when it is neighbors, and then she will become overprotective, and as all we do it, we just go and hit. Okay, the same thing that she has done. She started hitting John, and then asked Jimmy, what happened exactly? Can you just tell? Now Jimmy narrated. He said that I was actually playing with a stone and I thought of hitting John. But John dug down and I threw that to the window. So the glass was broken. Now you tell me mother's reaction was right or wrong?
Mother should have listened to the child fully before punishing.
Exactly. Did she do that? Actually, did she do that?
She reacted.
She reacted. Exactly. She reacted. So if I just wanted to narrate this other one, no, why should I only blame mothers to do that? Let us also blame equally fathers who do these kind of mistakes. Okay. Once father gave 2 apples to his son, and he said, being an economical father, he said that okay, I have 2 apples. Let me save 1 apple, and later I can give him. But I'll tell him that I want 1 apple from him so that I can eat, so that he can return back. So thinking about all those things, he says to the son, son, can you just give me 1 apple so that I can eat one and you can eat one? So the son says, okay, dad. And he has an apple in the right and left hand. So he takes a bite on the apple on the right hand and bite on the apple of the left hand. So he gets very furious. Father says, what is this? Did I tell you to just take a bite of second one? Didn't I mention you that is for me? Why did you take a bite of it? So then can you just guess? Can you just guess what would be his response?
The child was trying to.
Any one of you?
The child was trying to taste and then give the best to the father. And however,
Beautiful.
father was thinking that
Exactly.
the child is trying to eat both the apples instead of giving it to the father.
Exactly. Then he said politely, Dad, my left hand apple is very sweet. You can take this one. This is really khatta khatta. So let me take this one. He was feeling guilt, embarrassed on what he has done. So what as a people we do is we act first. We react. Then we stop because the situations we don't understand. Later on, when we understand, we start thinking about it, isn't it? So our action goes in this way. First we act, first we react, and then we stop. Then we start thinking that what did I do? What did I do? Yes, is a situation that we all face in a general life? Did anything happen as such? Now I think it is time for us to put a full stop on this, isn't it? So, what actually we lie in between is 10 to 90 rule. What is 10 to 90 rule? 10% is what happens, and 90% is how we respond or react to a particular situation. So, can you see the ice? Hello?
You are audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the ice?
Yes, ma'am.
How much? Yeah. Can you see inside how much it is like, But I think only the layer is visible to us. But if you
Yes.
just see inside, you have the bigger piece of it. So the below the C, you can find 90% of it. Above is what we call it as 10%. So similarly, our like knowledge and our skills, it may be our communication, it can be anything that we learn without adopting a proper attitude in our life. We cannot be 100%. Do you agree with us, with me? I thought of
Yes,
showing
ma'am.
this
Yes.
video also. I think there was a person actually in the schoolmaster. He is a schoolmaster. And what he does is, one child used to come very late. I think most of you might have watched this serial, watched this kind of small, what do you say? It
Yes.
was a WhatsApp video. He used to
Mhm.
beat the student every day, the second day, third day, 10th day. Then he gets vexed up ki what he is doing, why he is coming late every day. Then he sees him. He does a lot of hard work to give some kind of, I mean, he's the only resource of the family. Then what he does is he hugs him and he says very sorry for what I have done. So that is also something like very you know it's like what we do in our life is something that it comes out of our experiences, but we never think before what we do. That is where we are lagging behind. Yes, so these are certain things that we need to change in our life. There was one set of example. I think who is that? I mean Sundar Pichai. He gave us in one of the seminar. He said that there was a lady. I mean there was a huge kitty party. Who does the kitty party actually? Kitty parties are in favor of. Hello, am I audible?
You're
Yes,
audible, but
Yes,
ma'am.
I'm not
ma'am.
sure.
Yes,
Go
ma'am.
ahead. Go ahead.
Who
Yes, but
actually
no,
do the
not
kitty
here.
parties? Is it men or women?
Women.
Hmm. So there is a kitty party actually. So in that
Okay.
kitty party, they have called up all the servers. Okay. So something happened in that kitty party that one cockroach flew upon one lady's hand. And what would be the reaction of that lady? You tell me.
She would have jumped back.
Jumped, screaming,
Yeah.
we are known for it because we just blow the tantrums and then we just call everyone, we seek everyone's attention. It happens with everyone if something happens like this. So everyone were gathered, and what happened when she just jolted her hand, that again the cockroach flew on the shoulder of that server. What he did, not reacting to the situation, he just took that that carried that cockroach on his shoulder. He went out of the gate and then dusted it off. So what was the server's response? How was the server's response?
He responded.
He responded
The
exactly.
lady reacted.
The lady got reacted. So that's how we do actually. Without thinking, we just react to the situations. So this is a control area. Actually, we all know the area of control, the area of influence, and area of no control and influence. So these are the three areas that we have to fill in. But whatever decision we take, actually basically that falls under the area of influence. Either it can be a eating habit, feeling, thoughts, decision, learning, effort, attitude, motivation, everything that falls in area of influence. So we need to slowly mind ourselves in such a way, blend ourselves in such a way that the things are coming to area of control. Okay. And these are the things that these are the just slides that I would like to show and share it with you. And there are certainly some quotes that will definitely help you out. Learn from the mistake of others. You can't live long enough to make them all yourself. This is written by Chanakya. And you will make a lot of mistakes and you will feel a lot of pain, but in life mistakes make you smarter and pain make you stronger. So raise up after every failure. And there are challenges, the circumstance. You can challenge the circumstance and do the visualization thing. So that will give you a lot of uh, true freedom to your mind. Oh God, grant me the sincerity to accept the things that I cannot change, the courage to change the things that I can, and the wisdom to understand the difference between the two. So these are the small changes that we can get in our life. Maybe it would be inspiration for all of you. And the action plan that we can, being a psychologist, can take is the two things that I would like to start doing from right today. And you can write down these questions and make a note and keep practicing, so that at least some point of a time we are changing certain perceptions and our behavior too. Two things that I would like to stop, and two things that I would continue doing. So with this, I would like to stop sharing this one. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. So any questions? Any questions, please? I hope it was not a big topic, and I know that many of us know this kind of things, but yes, it would definitely help us to understand our life better. At least one point would change a lot of things in our life, isn't it? Anyone who would like to ask, or else I'll just give off the mic to the next one. Anything that you wanted to share? If in case it was any incident that you have reacted so much and then you have realized that it was a big mistake. I did many times in my life, and especially with the kids. How many of you experienced it? I think all of you are very active participant, but why is it like very sunsan gali or something wherein I cannot find any answers? Hello.
Ma'am, good evening, ma'am.
Very good.
Initially, you have said that I have changed my attitude after pursuing psychology and overcome all my weaknesses. Ma'am, can you please throw a light on these? How do you overcome all your weaknesses and how do you build your strength? What changes transform your done? And can you tell us, ma'am, about that?
That's a beautiful question you said, but you tell me, what are your weaknesses like? If you wanted to share it over here, so one weakness that you wanted to work.
Ma'am, as we know, anxiety, everyone has anxiety, anticipation of the future. So, how to overcome these anxiety issues, ma'am?
So do you think being anxious, are you having anxiety or are you anxious? You tell me.
Ma'am, can you?
If my answer is like you, are you anxious? I said, are you having anxiety problem? And if it is a problem, then it has to be treated. If you are anxious, the situation is quite normal. You're understanding. So thinking about something for the future is not a bad thing. Yes. And if you are tremendously causing problem to yourself, and then you are just, that is really hampering your daily life, that is really causing you some problem, and that is a bigger issue, and then you call it as an anxiety. And if your issue is small, it's just like, for example, you have a thought like, if you don't save any money for today, so maybe tomorrow you will not have, and you start saving a little and little. Yes, that may lead to, at some point of a time, if your expenses are more, that gives you a lot of anxiousness at time. I could not save this month. So that's absolutely fine. That's absolutely fine. And it becomes your strength. It is not your weakness. In fact, it becomes your strength to help you out, to support you, or your brain would tune you in a proper direction to achieve what you want. So certainly there are categories. One is going to extreme, or making yourself a little anxious for a moment. It's fine. Am I right in answering you?
Yes, ma'am, I'm getting.
You're getting it? Telugulo explain cheyala. నేనే చాలా కష్టపడతాను.
Okay, ma'am, it's better.
తెలుగులో చేయాలా?
It will be pleasure, ma'am, if you speak in
యాంగ్షియస్ అంటే
Telugu.
మీరు యాంగ్జైటీ అంటే ఏమనుకుంటున్నారో నాకు తెలియదు. యాంగ్షియస్ అని అంటే ఫర్ ద మూమెంట్, అక్కడికక్కడ మీకు అంటే ఏదైనా ఫైనాన్షియల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఉన్నా, ఏదైనా నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు మీకు దాచుకోవాలని ఉందనుకోండి డబ్బులు, ఆ పర్టిక్యులర్ పాయింట్‌లో మీరెక్కడో ఖర్చు పెట్టేశారు. సో, ఆ మొమెంట్‌లో అవ్వలేదు అనంటే నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్యూచర్ ఏంటి? నెక్స్ట్ మంత్ ఏంటి? అని
Ma'am, are you there?
I think she has some connectivity issue.
హలో!
Hello?
హలో! కెన్ యూ హియర్ మీ?
Pratima, we lost you for some
Yes,
time.
ma'am.
Okay, yes, because I told you here the weather is so bad, so I'm getting disconnected. Hope I answered Saujanya. I don't know who asked. Kavita? Kavita Gara?
Yes,
Nanu
ma'am.
adigin
Kavita
question.
asked something and you're telling in Telugu.
Yes, ma'am. It's I got it, ma'am. But what
Ah,
should be the
yes.
attitude? What
Yes.
should be the attitude for the what type of attitude we should have for that, ma'am? That's the matter.
Attitude, you need to actually should not be very harsh for yourself. అంటే మిమ్మల్ని మీరు ప్రతిదీ ఫ్యూచర్‌ని కంట్రోల్ చేసుకోగలను, నేను అన్నీ చూసుకోగలను అన్నది కొంచెం తగ్గించుకుంటే అండ్ ప్రాపర్ డైరెక్షన్‌లో నేను చెయ్యగలుగుతాను. ఇది చెయ్యాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. షుడ్ అండ్ మ్యాండేటరీ థింగ్స్ అన్నది ఆపేసేయండి థింక్ చేయటం. సో మేక్ ఇట్ లైక్ దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓకే. It is okay. Tomorrow it's not in my control. So I will not think. Let me lead a life of present. So that present you should not lose it. అంటే ఈ ప్రెజెంట్ ని మీరు నమ్ముకున్నారు, ఈ ప్రెజెంట్ లో మనం ఉన్నాం కదా, ఈ ప్రెజెంట్ ఎందుకు కోల్పోతున్నాం ఫ్యూచర్ గురించి ఆలోచించుకుని. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆ హ్యాపీనెస్ అన్నది మనకు కావాలి. Am I right?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Anyone else? మీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చెప్పండి. నాకు చాలా ఆనందం. ఐ మీన్ టు సే నేను రావడం ఇక్కడ ప్లాట్ఫామ్‌లో అప్పుడప్పుడు సెషన్‌కి వస్తూ ఉంటాను. బట్ ఐ వాంట్ యూ పీపుల్ ఆల్సో టు షేర్ సంథింగ్, a good experience of yours. How did you frame a good positive attitude in your life? Did anything help you out? Anyone? వీరా సార్ మీరు ఆన్సర్ చేయొచ్చు. హలో.
But Pratima, everything is fine.
Everything is fine with you, sir. I know. Okay.
Sorry, I joined very late. So yeah.
Oh, that's how it is. So you
Yeah.
missed my session.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just rushed in at 7:40 or something. 7:30 plus.
Okay. That's absolutely fine, sir. So anyone who would like to share, or else I'll just end my session here today. So I would like to give to the one who is coming next.
Ma'am, will you explain this mental house cleaning concept, ma'am, please? Mental house cleaning.
మెంటల్ హౌస్ క్లీనింగ్ ఒక చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇస్తాను. మెంటల్ హౌస్ క్లీనింగ్ అంటే ఎలా ఉంటుందనంటే, మనం ఎప్పుడైనా మన ఇంట్లో చెత్త పడేసుకుంటామమ్మా? చెత్త పడేసుకొని అక్కడే ఉండగలమా?
లేదు.
లేదు. అలాగే మనం పడుకునే చోట అంతా చెత్త పడేసుకుని ఉండగలమా?
లేదు.
లేదు. ఎందుకు?
It affects our mindset, madam. First thing is
Exactly. You feel like it is a bad thing and it is smell so bad, so we don't. So The same thing, mind needs cleaning all the time. So it should be in such a way that you are cleaning every time. Your thoughts, especially your thoughts, should be actually cleansed. సో మేక్ ఇట్ లైక్ మెడిటేషన్ ఉండొచ్చు, యోగా ప్రాక్టీస్ ఉండొచ్చు, లేకపోతే పాజిటివ్ ఎఫర్మేషన్ ఉండొచ్చు. సో ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఈ మెంటల్ క్లీనింగ్ ఎలా చేసుకుంటారని అంటే, ఇవన్నీ మీరు పాజిటివ్ థాట్స్ కానివ్వండి, మెడిటేషన్ త్రూ కానివ్వండి, మీరు ఎంబైట్ చేసుకుంటే అది మీకు చాలా హెల్ప్ఫుల్గా ఉంటుంది. అంటే ఇది ఒక మెంటల్ క్లీనింగ్ ప్రాసెస్. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఐ మెంట్ అబౌట్ మెంటల్ క్లీనింగ్ హౌస్. Am I audible? Veena garu?
Yes, Pratima, you're audible.
Yeah. So, yeah. Anyone else who wants to ask? If I'm right, then you can. If I'm wrong anyway, you people can correct me. Not an issue.
Absolutely true, ma'am.
Thank you. Anyone else who wants to ask?
If no questions, we can wind this session.
Yes, of course. And thank you for giving this great opportunity. Thank you, sir. Thank you, all of you, for listening and sparing me with all these glitches. I seriously got disappointed because of technical things, and I was expecting this. So hopefully we'll meet one-on-one sometime. And thank you once again. I think you can just make the other person as a host, if you don't mind.
Yeah, I'm the host now.
You're the host. Okay, Mans. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much once again. Hope you will give the feedback. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your wonderful session and very
Thank you, ma'am.
knowledgeable. Thank you, Pratima, ma'am, to associate with
Thank you.
DPL India. And
Thank
thank you, participants, for joining this session. And sorry to say this, Rajeshwari ma'am session is cancelled due to the weather reasons. Ma'am couldn't able to join the sessions today. We'll organize one other day and inform you in the group.
Oh, I see. So this session is ending now?
Yes, ma'am.
I couldn't see any of the participants. I think even they are just like me, who never switch off their cameras. Okay, great. One person I just saw.
So kindly request every participant to share your feedback. The link has shared in the chat group.
Yes.
And,
I would share the PPTs with you. So Manasa, I think you can put it in a group, or I'll directly share, because of this technical and the bandwidth would be a little bit more for it. So it may take little time, but I'll share it.
Sure, ma'am. Will do.
Sure. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.